The natural world is full of wonders, a tapestry of life woven together over millennia. But it also harbors potential catastrophes that could shake the very foundations of ecosystems and human civilization. Here are 10 disasters in the animal kingdom that could spiral out of control, wreaking unimaginable consequences. Our journey into these potential disasters begins with a creature often overlooked, the humble ant. Argentine ants have breached their home ranges, creating supercolonies worldwide. These colonies can contain billions of ants, acting as a single organism. Imagine a wave of these ants, millions strong, decimating local insect populations. If unchecked, they could collapse entire ecosystems, causing mass extinctions. Our next disaster takes us to the African savanna, home to the largest land mammal on Earth, the African elephant. A stampede of a few dozen elephants can be destructive, but imagine tens of thousands stampeding as one. Driven by fear or a lack of resources, this mega herd would become an unstoppable force of nature, leveling forests and towns. Such a stampede could be triggered by habitat loss or poaching threats, causing destruction on an unprecedented scale. Our focus shifts now from the ground to the air, where a tiny insect plays a crucial role in sustaining life, the honeybee. These creatures are essential for pollinating over 75% of the world's crops. Imagine a world where the buzz of bees falls silent. The collapse of global pollination would have devastating consequences, leading to food shortages and economic crises. Few sights in nature inspire as much awe and terror as a locust swarm. Their arrival is a harbinger of famine and despair. Locusts can devour entire fields in hours. If conditions align, they could darken skies and leave barren landscapes in their wake. Our exploration of potential animal disasters now takes us beneath the waves into the depths of the world's oceans. The overpopulation of species like Nomura's jellyfish could devastate marine ecosystems. Imagine a world where these jellyfish bloom in enormous numbers, their translucent bells pulsating across the water's surface. These blooms clog fishing nets, stinging swimmers and suffocating marine life by consuming their food sources. Such a disaster could collapse coastal economies and severely damage the fishing industry. Lurking beneath the surface of rivers and swamps is a creature that has instilled fear in humans for millennia, the crocodile. If their population explodes due to climate change, they could invade human territories rapidly. Imagine a world where crocodiles rule the waterways, encroaching upon human settlements. Mass attacks on coastal communities would cause widespread fear and disruption. Our journey through potential animal disasters takes a turn toward the unseen, the microscopic world of viruses. Bats, essential for pollination and insect control, are known carriers of zoonotic viruses. A new, highly contagious virus from bats could spread rapidly among humans, triggering a global pandemic. Imagine a world gripped by fear as a new virus sweeps across the globe. Hospitals overflow, cities lock down, and the global economy halts. We descend into the ocean depths to witness the potential disaster with blue whales. What if many died and their carcasses sank at once? The influx of organic material would trigger imbalance. Scavengers would descend, their populations booming. This could deplete oxygen, causing oceanic dead zones. Our penultimate disaster takes us to the frozen wastelands of the Arctic, a region on the front lines of climate change. In this unforgiving environment, competition between top predators like polar bears and orcas is intensifying. As ice caps melt, these two apex predators could increasingly come into direct conflict over dwindling food sources, leading to a deadly arms race. Such battles could result in the extinction of polar bears and destabilize the Arctic ecosystem. Our final potential animal disaster brings us face to face with one of humanity's most primal fears: spiders. In tropical climates, species like the huntsman spider grow to astonishing sizes, their leg span reaching up to 12 inches. Imagine millions of oversized spiders invading homes, urban centers, and forests. The animal kingdom operates in delicate harmony, a symphony of life conducted by the forces of nature. These 10 potential disasters remind us of the critical need to preserve biodiversity, maintain ecosystems, and respect the forces of nature. The world has seen natural disasters before, but the ones detailed here could spell catastrophe on a scale we've never witnessed.